Hey guys, I was gonna make a video on my pocket knife, my AK-47 pocket knife. It's really cool. I really like it. It's really cool. I'm gonna show you guys. So let's get straight to it. So let's get in the light here. So here's the knife. Here's the knife. It's really nice. I love it. It says AK-47 right there. AK-47. You guys are, I don't know. I just wanted to show you guys my knife. Today it was just really such a good day to me, but I don't really mind. I just wanted to show you guys my knife. So today it was just a really crappy day, pretty much. Switchblade or quick blade or whatever it is, whatever they call them. It's really easy. I've seen videos on YouTube about these. I'm gonna make my own, so that's what I did. Well, what I'm doing right now. So as you see, what you do is you press this button down, and you just like this, and it quickly opens. Here, let me show you. Sometimes it'll get jammed like that, so sometimes you need to open it for a second, or like a quick second, then close it, then open it. Switchblade. So look, I'm gonna show you guys a far distance. So I got my finger on this, and there, it's open. If you guys want to see it sideways, really cool knife. I don't know if you guys know, but there's like a little safety thing right here on the side that you have to push on the side to be able to close it. See, sorry guys. So like that. There's so this thing right here that you push it sideways and then you can close the knife. So after that, you just move on with your lives. You know, just move on with your lives and just move on.
They did a good job here. You can see everything's new. But
Peace out.
Captain Zink has inspects the
Peace out.